welcome back to a new video. So in this video I'm going to be taking you guys along my winter night routine. In case you guys didn't see it, I posted a winter morning routine, so now I'm doing the night routine. And I was currently opening the advent calendar that I bought, the chocolate one, and I got this today. I've been pretty good about it because usually when it comes to advent calendars I cannot wait and I open everything the second I get the calendar. But since I know everything is chocolate, then I've been really good at it. And I just opened the one for today and I got literally my favorite chocolate ever. And I'm so excited to eat it. But I went to Target earlier today and I wanted to give you guys a quick little haul. And I didn't vlog it because I honestly forgot to start the vlog earlier. I would have loved to open the vlog earlier and stuff, but I forgot. Anyways, the first thing that I got is this exfoliator. I ran out of mine, so I had to get a new one because every time I shave my legs or I want to do like a little Sunday reset routine and I do like my everything shower, I always use an exfoliator. And I got the scent Moonlight Glow. I like trying new scents. Like I don't like getting the same scents, but the scent that I last used, it was so good. It's definitely my favorite scent. But number one, I didn't see it when I went to Target because honestly everything was pretty empty. And number two, I wanted to try a new scent because I don't want to like smell the same all the time, you know? I want to like switch it up. So I got this one and it smells super good. Out of all the ones that were there, because there wasn't a lot of options, this one was the one that smelled the best and it actually smells really good. It smells like clean and it's purple. It's so pretty. So I'm definitely excited to use this when I take a little everything shower. The next thing that I got is this pink hairbrush. I'm literally in love with it. Like if you guys know, I'm literally obsessed with pink. And I actually have this hairbrush. Like this is the hairbrush that I use. I have it in white. And I was going to get another one. And then I saw that this one was like all the way in the back and it was pink. And I'm like, oh my Lord, I have to get it. So I literally got it and I'm actually obsessed with it. And I love this hairbrush. It's from the brand Conair and it's really good because this is like squishy, so when you brush your hair it's really comfortable, like the grip. And these little like balls last so long, like they don't fall off, whatever. I really recommend this hairbrush. It's really good. This brand is really nice and it lasts a long time. The hairbrush that I have, I obviously clean it very often, but I've had it for a lot of years and it's lasted me a really long time. But I just felt like since the new year is here, you know, I wanted to like switch it up and get a new one since, you know, it's good to like change it up sometimes. And then lastly, I got this pink mouthwash. I heard that this brand is really good and my parents use it. I've always stuck to like Listerine because it's like the most popular, like famous brand, but I wanted to try this one because I've heard amazing things about this mouthwash and it's also pink, so I couldn't, you know, miss the opportunity. So I got it and I'm really excited to use it. And I got more things, like I restocked on skincare and like my body wash and stuff, but like that's not really like fun. These are like the 3 fun things that I got, I guess. And then also earlier, my mom got a gift from her friend. One of her friends gave her this candle as a gift and it's so cute. It came in this little box, like look how cute, it's so adorable. It has like little Christmas trees and it's pink, it's so cute. And it literally came in this little box. But it's a candle obviously and it has a Christmas tree on top. It's so nice. It's called Sand Fog and it's the Cypress and Fair scent and it smells very good. But yeah, I'm so excited to light it. I don't want to light it yet because, you know, my mom's probably gonna get mad at me. She probably wants to like be here when I light it. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be lighting this candle soon. But since Christmas is literally in like a couple of days, which is actually insane, I don't even know how that's possible. Also, I need to wrap Christmas gifts, so I'm gonna do that right now. But I'm so excited to wrap my Christmas gifts because I've been putting it off so much and literally Christmas is right around the corner. So yeah, I'm very excited to light this candle very soon. And yeah, I'm gonna eat my little chocolate. This chocolate is so good. Definitely recommend this brand. Literally the best chocolate brand ever. Also, I literally have this ginormous chocolate bear and I haven't even opened it, and Christmas is in a couple of days and I wanted to open it like earlier and like eat a little bit every day because if I eat all of this at once, I'm gonna literally explode. But I really have to open it soon because Christmas is right here and I haven't even had a chance to like try it. So I'm probably not gonna open it today just because I already, you know, a bit of chocolate today, but I'll probably open it tomorrow because I definitely want to eat it before Christmas. So yeah, but right now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna wrap gifts because I have to wrap gifts, and right now that I'm alone and no one's here, I need to take advantage. So I'm gonna grab all my gifts and start wrapping. So the time that I've been waiting for has finally come. I am going to wrap all my Christmas gifts that I got for other people. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up getting a couple of more things, but for the most part, I have a lot of gifts and I've been waiting to wrap them and like film it and all of that. And I want to do it beside the tree just because I feel like the vibes are super nice right now. And I'm all cozy. I'm wearing this little Brandy Melville set. I have all my wrapping paper here. We got 2 new wrapping papers that I'll show you guys now. But I want to finish the wrapping paper that I have started. So I'm gonna see like the sizes of like what gifts I could use that wrapping paper for. Also, if you hear like the wind noise, ignore that. That is my balcony door. It's so loud. The wind outside is so loud right now. But anyways, I have a bunch of gifts here. I have a bunch of bags, a bunch of gifts just spread out everywhere, and my wrapping paper. I have my tape. I'm gonna take the gifts out of the boxes and I'm gonna organize it by people. So like the gifts for my mom, the gifts for my brother, the gifts for my dad. Like I'm just gonna like split it like that, and then I'm gonna do like person by person just so I could have it organized. And I also have a marker to write the names of the people on the gift. So yeah, let's get to wrapping. I'm so excited. Okay, so right now I just took out the prices of all the gifts on everything, and now I'm gonna get to wrapping. But first I want to show you the wrapping paper that we have. So first we have this one. We've had this one for so long and we still have like so much left. So I'm definitely not gonna be finishing this obviously, but it's basically just like this beige paper and then there's like little Santa Clauses on it. Then we have this one, which is a bunch of different little snowmen. And this one is super cute. I love it, but honestly we've had it for a while too, so it would be great if I could finish it, but I don't know. And then for new wrapping papers, so my mom and I went to Walmart the other day and we got these 2 new wrapping papers. They're so cute. This one is white, and I don't think we've ever had like white wrapping paper. We've always had like beige, like the ones I showed you, but this one is white, and there's a bunch of little Christmas trees and it just says Merry Christmas. It's super cute. And then we got this one, which is like gray, and it has a bunch of little like cars and like Christmas trees on top of the cars, and it says Merry Christmas as well. I think these are super cute and I really want to use them this year, but I also kind of want to like use what we already have, because if not, we're always gonna have like a bunch of wrapping paper and we're never gonna finish the wrapping paper. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna try to finish like the rolls that I could finish with the old wrapping paper, and then I'll also use the new wrapping paper with some gifts. So I'm gonna kind of like decide what I want to do with each gift. But also I feel like in aesthetic trees, people don't really use like a bunch of different wrapping papers. Like the point of the tree is for it to be like aesthetic and maybe use like 1 to 2 wrapping papers. But I don't know, I'm just gonna figure it out and do whatever I think will look good, but I'm gonna use more than 2 wrapping papers. So I just finished wrapping all the gifts, and these are all the gifts. It's super cute. We have a couple of different wrapping paper going on, but I'm so happy that I got this done. It took me so long. I think it took me like 2 hours, literally. I don't know how. I was just trying to figure out like the right sizes of all the wrapping paper, and I ended up finishing a roll, which I'm super happy. And yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna put it under the Christmas tree yet. We don't do that. We usually put the gifts under the Christmas tree the 24th at night to open up the gifts the 25th in the morning. But I'm so happy that I got everything situated and I put all the names of the people. So yeah, I'm so excited. made fried rice for the first time, and honestly, it doesn't look that bad. I've never made anything like this before, so I'm gonna try it and test it out. A winter night routine cannot be a winter night routine if I don't make cookies. So basically, my brother is coming home for the holidays in 2 days, and we were talking about that we want to like bake something like from scratch, because this is literally like not even baking. Like I literally just have to put these on like parchment paper and on this thing and then put it in the oven. Like it doesn't take literally any effort. Like it's super easy. But we want to bake something from scratch. And like 2 years ago in like 2021, I tried baking a cake and it came out super bad. I literally burnt something in the oven. I forgot to take this plastic thing that was in the oven out, and I literally burnt it. It melted. It was stuck in the oven for like so long. Like it was just a really bad experience because I wasn't like aware of anything back then. But now I feel like I have a little bit of a gist in the kitchen. I mean, I'm still like a beginner with like cooking and baking and all of that, but I really want to try to like bake something with my brother. Like I feel like it would be super fun. And I don't know, I'm gonna see, like we're gonna need to go buy the ingredients and everything because we don't have any of that stuff here. Like we don't have any baking supplies or anything besides like this and like parchment paper and like these, but these are way too easy to make even though they're super good. I want to try baking like a red velvet cake. Like that sounds so good. I love red velvet. So yeah, but for right now, this is what we have, and I'm actually like almost out. Like there's probably like 8 little cookies in here, so when this runs out, we'll probably like bake the cake. But for now, this is what we're working with, and these cookies are super good, so don't get it twisted. It's the brand Nestle, I don't know how to pronounce it, but they're so yummy. It's the chocolate chip. I love chocolate chip cookies, and that's definitely the best brand that I've ever tried. Cookies right here, and I have my iPad. I'm gonna like scroll on Pinterest a little bit and just get some like inspiration and eat my cookies. Meanwhile, I'm like super cozy, but you guys know that I always change my bed sheets every single Sunday in the morning. It's part of my Sunday reset routine. But today, for some weird reason, I just didn't feel like changing my bed sheets. So my bed has been unmade all day, which is so unlike me. I cannot function without making my bed in the morning, and so the bed has been unmade all day. So I've just been crawling in the bed since it's unmade. I've just been finding a way to crawl in all day, and so I really need to change my bed sheets before going to sleep, and I never change my bed sheets at night. I think that it's like foul. I don't know why. So we're gonna do it after I finish eating my cookies. But yeah, I'm gonna scroll on Pinterest a little bit. All right, I'm gonna change my bed sheets now because it is time. Okay, so I just finished making my bed. It looks so clean and cozy. I can't wait to get inside of it. So I want to get in bed early today because I've been going to sleep really late, and I've just not been like taking care of my sleeping and like prioritizing my sleep schedule and all of that. So I want to get in bed and go to sleep like before midnight tonight. Like I have to be sleeping before midnight. So right now it's currently like 8 o'clock, which is perfect timing. I ate dinner. I had delicious fried rice. It was very yummy, and I had my cookie and all that. So we're done with eating. So now I want to do a little bit of skincare. I want to do a little bit of like self-care and that kind of stuff because I really need it. My skin has actually been clearing up, but I still want to take care of it and stuff. So I want to do a face mask just because since I just cleaned my bed sheets, I want to have like a nice clean fresh face to get in bed. So I'm gonna do a face mask, and I'm just gonna do the whole 9 yards. Yeah, I'm gonna get the face mask and put it on my face. Okay, so I'm gonna do this face mask. It's by The Ordinary and it has 2% of salicylic acid, which is super good for acne prone skin and just getting rid of blackheads and all of that, which is exactly what I have. I have like blackheads basically all over my face. I don't have any active acne like pimples, but I do have like some stuff that I want to get rid of, so I'm gonna do this mask. I feel like I talk about it a lot, but every time I do like a night routine, I love like including this mask in it just because I feel like it's like the perfect mask to use like on a little night where you're just like staying in and you just feel super cozy and like you're doing your little skincare. And I actually don't do this mask very frequently just because I get super lazy. Like I feel like putting on a mask is so much work because then taking it off is a hassle, especially this one because it's black, so it literally gets all over my sink. It gets very messy, but I have to clean my sink tomorrow, so that's exactly why I felt like it was perfect timing to do this mask right now because tomorrow I have to like deep clean my bathroom and all that. So, but I remember like sometimes I would do this mask like the day I cleaned my bathroom, and then like I literally would do the mask hours after cleaning my bathroom, and then the sink would be like a disaster after. Like it gets pretty messy because when you're like splashing the water to get it out of your face, it just gets everywhere. So it's bound to happen. But I think that this is like the best mask ever. Like I've been using it for years and it's done nothing but amazing things to my skin. Like I swear by it. Every time I use it, it just like clears my face. Like it's a literal miracle. So I just took off my face mask and washed my face, and now I feel like my skin is just insane. I'm running out of this moisturizer, so I have to apply it like this. I want to get like every bit of it. Like look how much that was. This moisturizer is so nice. So I just finished doing all my skincare and everything, and I've just been laying on my bed just relaxing. I was on my computer doing some work, and I was also watching a little bit of YouTube because, as you guys know, a lot of content creators and YouTubers are doing Vlogmas, and I feel like I've been a little bit behind because I've been so busy these past couple of days, and literally Christmas is right around the corner and I just had to like catch up on a bunch of videos that I wanted to watch. So I was watching that, and now I think I'm gonna head to bed because I'm very tired and I've had a pretty long day. I was out all day, and then I filmed this video, I wrapped the gifts, I cooked a new recipe, and I think that I've had a pretty productive day today. And so yeah, I'm so excited that Christmas is right around the corner. I don't even know what me and my family's plans for Christmas are this year. Like we're just super like disoriented and we have no clue what we're doing like the day of Christmas. So yeah, we have to like talk that out. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, whatever you celebrate. I hope you enjoyed this night routine, and I will see you guys very soon. I see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, jingle, jingle, ring, 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 ring. I'm on. It's a lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.